Welcome to another podcast episode, and I am your host, RA Solutions. Here's a question that's been bouncing around my head all week, but before I continue, please like, subscribe, and share. Here's the question. Would you actually take orders from an algorithm? Not just suggestions, but literal daily marching orders from something with no human face.
That kind of gives me the chills, honestly. I mean, technically, I already follow GPS directions, but getting told how to do my job or even how to lead a team by code, that hits differently.
Right? GPS doesn't care if you had a rough morning or if the team's tired after a tough sprint, but a manager, ideally, they read all those signals.
Totally. And the human piece isn't just touchy-feely stuff. It's those subtle cues, like when someone's just not themselves, or when a joke lands flat in a meeting, an algorithm wouldn't notice that nuance.
But weirdly enough, AI is already pretty deep in the management game, just behind the scenes. Performance tracking, scheduling, even resume screening managers are leaning on algorithms more than ever.
It's true, my team actually uses software that rates our project risk each week, and sometimes it's unsettlingly accurate. Still, it stops short of actually making the tough decisions, like who to promote or when to step in on team conflicts.
That's the sweet spot, though, isn't it? Data-driven support, but humans still steering the ship, at least for now.
For now, exactly. But the line keeps shifting, and that's where things get both exciting and a bit nerve-wracking for leaders.
Some folks argue leadership is just a series of logical decisions. If that's true, could AI eventually do the whole job?
I get where that comes from, but leadership isn't just math. It's not like solving a chess puzzle. Sometimes you're working with incomplete info or emotions that don't fit a neat formula.
Exactly. And then there's gut instinct, the stuff you can't always explain but feel in your bones. I wonder, could an algorithm ever replicate that?
Maybe it could mimic instinct by crunching massive datasets. Yet there's something about lived experience and intuition that feels uniquely human. I'm not sure code can capture that magic.
Empathy seems to be the holy grail for AI in management. Could an algorithm ever really understand or respond to a team member's feelings?
Honestly, I've seen chatbots try there's a script for everything now, even sympathy. But when someone's burnt out or grieving, a canned response doesn't cut it. People know the difference.
It's like those customer service bots that keep repeating, I'm sorry you're frustrated. That just makes me more annoyed, not heard.
Exactly. Real empathy is messy and unscripted. Even the best AI stumbles because it can't genuinely feel or improvise in the moment when emotions go sideways.
Let's talk trust. Would you trust an AI with your career decisions, promotions, feedback, even layoffs handled by an algorithm?
That honestly scares me. Algorithms can be opaque. If I got passed over for a promotion, I'd want to know why. The model said so isn't exactly satisfying.
Right? And there's no water cooler chat with an algorithm. No one's going to pull you aside and say, hey, here's what you could work on.
And the lack of accountability is a huge worry. If a manager messes up, you can talk it through. With AI, who do you even blame?
The scary part is algorithms aren't neutral. They can be just as biased as humans, sometimes worse, because it's hidden in code.
That's a massive issue. There was that case where recruitment software was favoring certain resumes just because of the data it had seen before. Suddenly, bias gets baked in and multiplied.
And it's even harder to spot. At least with a human, you might sense unfairness and speak up, but with an algorithm, the rules are invisible.
Which is why transparency in AI matters so much, especially if we're trusting it with people's jobs and futures.
Still, I can't ignore the upside. AI can make decisions fast and across way more data than any manager could touch.
That speed is a game changer, especially in big organizations. Imagine coordinating hundreds of schedules or crunching performance numbers instantly. AI gives you superpowers there.
But do you think speed alone is enough to justify putting AI in charge?
Not on its own, no. Quick decisions are helpful, but if they're wrong or tone deaf, it just means you make the same mistake faster and for more people.
Let's flip it. Are there times when AI could actually be better at managing than people? Maybe in totally data driven fields?
I think so, especially where the rules are clear, like logistics or factory workflows. No drama, just efficiency. In those cases, letting AI call the shots could boost productivity and cut out human error.
So maybe AI as the boss isn't just sci fi, it's already creeping into those less emotional numbers first arenas.
Exactly, though, the moment people and feelings are in the mix, the equation gets messier.
Circling back, it makes me wonder, what do people really want most from a leader? Is it fairness, empathy, vision, or just clear guidance?
Honestly, it's probably a mix. And it shifts depending on the person. Some want stability, others crave inspiration. I once had a manager who couldn't remember birthdays, but everyone would run through a wall for him because he listened.
That's the thing, AI might nail consistency, but can it inspire loyalty or creativity?
Inspiration is tricky to automate. Algorithms can set goals, but rallying people, that's an art, not a science.
Maybe the future isn't all or nothing. What if the real answer is a hybrid? AI does the heavy lifting and humans bring the heart.
That's what I'm rooting for. Let algorithms handle the data crunching, leave the tough conversations and inspiration to actual people. Kind of like a co pilot, not a replacement.
I like that image. AI as the data wizard in the background, freeing up managers to do the genuinely human stuff.
Exactly. That way, we get the best of both efficiency and empathy, speed and wisdom.
All right, let's make it personal. If your next boss was an AI, would you take the job?
Honestly, I'd hesitate. If it's pure efficiency but zero humanity, I'd miss the banter, the feedback, even the bad coffee chats. But maybe with the right human touch in the mix, I could be convinced.
I'd have 1,000 questions. How do I negotiate a raise? Does it care if I'm having a rough week?
Exactly. It'd be weird trying to explain your dog's emergency vet visit to a chatbot. Some things just need a human touch.
So, where do we land? Will AI ever truly replace managers, or is leadership just too human to code away?
I think we're headed toward a new kind of partnership. AI will keep getting smarter, but the magic of leadership is still built on trust, empathy, and creativity, things that don't come easy to algorithms.
Maybe that's the viral hook. Not would you take orders from an algorithm, but what kind of leader do you want to follow?
Perfectly said. Because at the end of the day, management isn't just about tasks, it's about people, and that's a story still being written. Until next time, look after yourselves and each other.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share and support us at RA Solutions.